Hey everybody, wanted to do a really quick video on my status on my NASCAR group build. Everything is just kind of sitting mocked up on here, but this is kind of the colors I'm doing on the chassis. So the base part is just pretty much primer, and then the roll cage is like a gunmetal gray, and then I have the sills, so windshield and the dash area, and then the deck litter area, I got those flat black. I do have to paint all the roll bars and all that padding. I'm going to paint those all black, and these areas here are going to be the gray. So this pad and then this area probably gray. So just pretty much the tubes, this area will be gray as well. So just the tubes will be the gray, gunmetal gray. And I think on the dash I'm going to 3D print some of the MSD boxes, and any kind of other electronics have some wires going. I still have to, get the seats in and all that stuff, but it's got a ways to go. The roll cage part is all solid, so when I take this apart, I got them just stick down with, so I got detail all that up yet. And then I did some tin work on there. Haven't done no details on the dash or nothing. I do have the base yellow done on the body. It's still drying in a safe area, but I did glue that whole chassis together, so that was all lined up. Then this piece that goes through here goes through the firewall. I think next time I might glue the firewall to the chassis. But when I did this one this time, I wanted to make sure this seam was nice and completely gone. And then the seam down here. I got that so far. I gotta paint the rest of that. I kind of screwed up and it bled down. But I'm gonna paint that black. There's a vent there. I gotta clean that up. And the plastic in this kit is very spongy. Like when I super glued this piece on, I had to clamp it, and I had to stay clamped for over an hour. That usually don't happen. But that's about where we're at on that. So until next time, I'll see you then.